Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, this is my first video back since having surgery earlier this month, so I'm happy to be back and able to shoot videos again. On today's video, we're going to do Boudin stuffed chicken on the Pit Boss Classic using Sucklebuster's Clucker Dust. So let's go ahead and get started. And here we have it. Probe checked it to 165. She looks beautiful. Smell that Sucklebuster's rub coming off of it. Put that Cosmos OPX1 sauce on it. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. First, let's remove the strings. And look at that. Nice and moist. All that Boudin on the inside. Alright, now let's go ahead for that taste test. Alright, go ahead and give this a shot. On point. Moist and juicy. That Sucklebuster's rub with that Cosmos, on point. Let's try some of that Boudin. Cooked beautifully. Gotta give this a try. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.